Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bilal and today I'm going to tell you about how to download and install Sony Vegas Pro 16 for free. Just follow my steps and you will get the software for free. So let's start the video. First of all, we'll have to download Utorrent to download the file we require. So for the first step, we will download Utorrent. Link is given in the description. You can download it from here. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. So after you have downloaded the setup of Utorrent, just run the setup and install Utorrent. Let me show you how you can do it. Open the installer. Now here, click next, again next, then again agree to the terms. Now here, decline this offer. This is not required. Again decline this extra offer. Now click next, again next. I will not do it because I have already installed it. Just click next and it will get installed. Now we have the software to download Sony Vegas Pro. So now the second link, you will have to open the second link which is in the description box below. Now here is the link. Click the magnet button. Now it will prompt you to open Utorrent. Click yes. Now Utorrent will open like this, and now you can browse your destination where you want to download a file, and the files will show up here. Now just click OK. The files will download. I have already downloaded those files, so I will cancel it. Okay, so you have got the files. Here they are. It will look just like this. You will have to open the setup files. You will have to install Sony Vegas Pro. Open the setup. Select your language, mostly English. Click next. Agree to their terms. Then click next. Now check the shortcut key. Click next. I've sped up the process so you don't have to wait for long. It will take usually a minute or two to install. Let it install. The installation is finished. Now you will have to crack the software. To do this, just follow what I do. Open the crack folder, copy the protein file, just right click it, copy it. Now right click the Sony Vegas icon on the desktop and open file location. You will be redirected to its main directory. Now open a folder called protein. Now paste the crack file here. Replace it. Continue. Here it is. You are done. Now Sony Vegas Pro 16 is free to use. Full version, free of cost, without any trouble. Now we will have to open it. Now you can see it that it is working 100%. No problems, no anything else. So here I will show you its license. You can see it is registered and it is licensed to Quadro. So this is a licensed and full version of Sony Vegas Pro 16. So that was all for today. If you like my video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.